Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we got an interesting video for you today. It's the fourth one that we're going to take a look at in the Forged by War series. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at what's in that box. Thank you all so much for staying past that intro. Now, as I said in the opening, it's the fourth blade we're going to take a look at in the Forged by War series. We're going to try to put a little card right up here to the other ones that we've done, and that's going to give you a huge overview of what CRKT is trying to do. Long story short, Rian Johnson came up with a great concept where he got some veterans that are returning from combat and helped them forge blades, weapons, gear, just stuff that soldiers wish they had on the battlefield. Now this one is designed by Darren Williams Sirois, S-I-R-O-I-S. And I know if the Sergeant Major hears me butchering his name, he's gonna freaking kick my ass, but this one's designed by Sergeant Major. And as you saw by that opening, it's called the Rasp. Here it is. It is big, it is nice, and it is seriously one heck of a folding blade. Like Sergeant Major says, sometimes it is about the size of the dog in the fight. And man, he made a beautiful, I mean just absolutely drop dead beautiful folding blade. Now let's get into the stats on this one as we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 8.75 inches. The blade is 3.671, and when it's closed, it's about 5.05 inches. Now, it's got a pretty interesting weight of 5.6 ounces. For a folder, that's kind of heavy. I love the way he puts it. It's a modified Wharncliffe blade, or as he calls it, a worn clip. As you can kind of see, it's got these beautiful little, the jimping right up here. That really helps fit right in there. Not to mention, the flipper acts as kind of a finger guard. Now, the blade steel is AUS 8 with an HRC rating of 57 to 59 with a stonewash finish. And guys, I never know if it shows up well enough, but God, it's just beautiful to look at. It is seriously beautiful. Now, I like the fact that the handle is 420 J2 stainless steel. So you've got basically two different kinds of blade steel on there. It has a frame lock. Now, what I thought was kind of cool, it has a single, and it is reversible thumb stud to help you open it up. It has a one-position pocket clip, and as you can see, you carry it tip down. As you saw, it has a flipper open, and man, it works beautifully. And I love how they call it, it's deployment ready, ridiculously strong, and very sleek. I gotta tell you, seriously, for as big as it is and as burly as it is, it has a very sleek, slender profile right here. It's just awesome. I mean, anyone who's ever been in the military knows Sergeant Majors know their shit. So he made a beautiful frickin' blade. Now, as we usually do, the cost of this guy over on CRKT's website is $99.99, basically $100. I found it over on Amazon for $65.26. The strangest thing, both on Amazon and on CRKT's website, there's no reviews of this blade yet. I know it's kind of new, but I figure someone may have gotten something and been pissed off about it, or really loved it like I do, and trust me, I'm about to leave a review here as soon as I wrap some filming. But there we go. It's our look at the Rasp. Now, as usual, guys, questions, comments, whatever, leave them down below. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day and giving me some of that time. You're going to see a symbol popping up right over here. That's going to be my company's logo. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring you right to subscribe. And trust me, subscribing right now is more important than ever before. After you subscribe, click on the little bell icon notification. That way you will be notified every single time we upload a video. And speaking of videos, you're going to see two of them popping up over here that YouTube is going to select from our catalog of videos that they think is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The CRKT Rasp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.